humanitarian aid.
But of course, the big story here in the tri-state is all of this rain. We're waking up to downpours for much of the area. And while it will taper off a little later this morning, you're going to want to take your umbrella with you regardless of when you head out the door.
All right, let's get right over to meteorologist Danny Beckstrom for a first check of that AccuWeather forecast. Hi, Danny.
Hey, good morning, Michelle and Tony. You're exactly right. The heaviest, most widespread and consistent rain first thing this morning. We're already starting to see that taper off. But we are not done with rain chances. They stick around for most of the day as the light snow continues for our northern suburbs. 40 right now with wind out of the west at 6 miles per hour. Temperatures running colder than yesterday and days prior, but at least we're above the freezing mark for most, which is why this is primarily a rain event so far this morning. Some of that transition will happen later this afternoon. I'll get to that in a second. The breeze is also a factor in the forecast, contributing to the cold feel. We saw some blowing rain earlier today as those gusts pick up close to 3 miles per hour. It's the same story for tomorrow, so a couple blustery days ahead of us. But the real weather story, that's the rain. It's been such an active radar all morning long. So giving you a quick tour of it, where we're still seeing the snow, it's north of the 84, it's west of the 87. It's exactly where we expected it to be. The higher elevation, Sullivan County, parts of Ulster County, these are the areas that could see 3+ inches of snow by the time this is all said and done. That's between midnight last night and early tomorrow morning. Just south of that area, we could see a little bit of that rain transition to snow as we head into later today. But so far this morning, it's been all rain. Heavy rain for Fairfield, for Putnam, for Westchester, for Rockland County. But right now, that rainfall intensity is starting to back off. Long Island still seeing a lot of rain. But you notice for New Jersey, a lot of Jersey here, finally starting to taper off. We're not done with the rain chances. They just become a little more scattered from here. Here's a look at the snow forecast. Again, 3 to 6 inches of snow for the higher elevations far north of the city. And then if you're north and west of I-287, yeah, you could pick up enough to be a little slick as we head through tonight. But for New York City, South Jersey, for Long Island, little to no accumulation, even though we will get a few snowflakes in the mix first thing tomorrow morning before the storm system officially exits. So it looks like the steadiest stuff starting to wrap up, but the rain chances do not. We stay unsettled today with temperatures hovering close to 40. It's an AccuWeather alert day, and tonight we do see the rain turn to a rain-snow mix or just transition straight to snow into tomorrow morning. But we don't expect accumulations in the city. Even if a few snowflakes fly, then the storm system moves out. I'll let you know what it leaves behind for the work week and the full AccuWeather forecast coming up. Tony?
Danny, thank you very much. A second season